Over here it's tight, and over here we kind of have more into the neck. So we're gonna perform an adjustment here first. Okay, relax your body. I want you to just lean your head this way for me. There you go, good. Okay. I don't know if we've done the seated neck adjustments on video for a bit, but it's pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
All right.
You could hear that?
Yeah, oh yeah. All right. You know, not only can you hear it on video, but I can feel it through my hands. Feel the movement. Yeah. There you go. There's a little bit of like a healing lotion right up here, okay?
All right.
All right, so let's get right in here. Okay. After the adjustment, we're going to try to see some post-adjustment or post-therapy changes on that area. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to go away, but, you know, at least we know we're working the area of issue. So when he came in, he was talking about neck pain, right?
Yep.
And all of a sudden, here we are talking about a whole bunch of postural type issues, spasmic muscle here, spasm into the neck, and here we are. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There you go. Good. Okay. Right in here. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. There you go. Good. Feel that one?
Yeah.
All right. Relax right in here. Good. Relax here. Good. Okay. Lay on your side facing this way for me. Take a deep breath. All the way out. There you go. Okay. Good. Right over here. Okay. Scoot your body forward a little bit for me. Good. Okay. Breathe in. Completely exhale. There you go. Okay. Relax here. Good. Okay.